The 11-pin base of an ice cube style timer typically includes the following connections. Firstly, line 1 or loan, which serves as the input power from line 1. Secondly, line 2 or L2, which provides the input power from line 2. Thirdly, load 1 or tone, which is the output to terminal 1 of the contactor coil. Fourthly, load 2 or T2, which provides the output to terminal 2 of the contactor coil. Fifthly, neutral or N, which is a common neutral connection. Sixthly, start or S, which is the input for initiating the timer sequence. Seventhly, stop percent, which is the input for stopping the timer sequence. Eighthly, time range or TR, terminals for selecting the time delay range. Ninthly, time setting or TS, terminals for setting the specific time delay. Tenthly, auxiliary contactor, which is an optional auxiliary contact and may not be available on all models. 11thly, ground or G, which is the ground connection. The auxiliary contact is an optional feature providing an additional normally open or normally closed contact. This contact can be utilized for various purposes, such as providing feedback to the control system indicating that the timer sequence is complete, or activating additional devices or alarms. To install the off-delay timer on the magnetic starter, follow these steps. Firstly, disconnect power from the starter and any associated equipment. Secondly, remove the front cover of the magnetic starter to access the contactor coil terminals. Thirdly, connect the timer's load 1 or tone and load 2 or T2 terminals to terminals 1 and 2 of the contactor coil respectively. Fourthly, connect the timer's line 1 or loan and line 2 or L2 terminals to the appropriate power source. Fifthly, connect the timer's neutral or N terminal to the common neutral. Sixthly, configure the timer's time range TR and time setting TS according to the desired time delay. Seventhly, if an auxiliary contact is required, connect it to the desired terminals on the timer. Eighthly, reinstall the front cover of the magnetic starter. Ninthly, reapply power to the starter and associated equipment. The specific wiring connections may vary depending on the timer model and the starter manufacturer's instructions, so always refer to the product documentation for specific guidance.